Hey guys, so here is one of the teeth I have from my collection. This is a Megalodon tooth. I found this one in South Carolina. I don't know if you guys remember the video of me finding this one, but if you haven't seen it, I'll post the link to the video down in the description below so that you guys can watch it. But either way, you can see how this left side is broken a little bit. I did that accidentally by picking up the tooth a little bit too hard. These outside edges near the root can be really fragile sometimes. You can see how thin they get. Yeah, basically they can get really thin like that down there. And when I picked it up, I actually grabbed the side edges a little bit too hard and broke off some serrations. So it's really unfortunate. Overall, it's a really beautiful tooth. So I have decided to get it restored or repaired by a basically professional that does it. He does an amazing job, so I trust him with this tooth a lot. Deciding to get it repaired, restored, because I mean the tooth just means a lot to me, and I don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon. I'm going to keep it in my collection probably for the rest of my life. So yeah, it's just a personal thing I decided to do. I know restoration repair can be frowned upon sometimes, but it's just what I want to do with this tooth because it means a lot to me. But this is basically a before and after video. So this is what the tooth looks like before. Beautiful tooth. You can see that missing serrations there, but I will show you guys what it looks like when I get the tooth back. Alright guys, so just got the tooth here in the mail. Already started to unbox it a little bit, just because it'd be easier to do on camera. So let's get started. We'll take a look at it here. Kind of difficult to do with one hand, but we'll see what I can do here. Alright, just undo the newspaper. I'll pull her out here. Oh man, look at that tooth, guys. Jeez, love the color on this one. Definitely one of my favorite teeth, but let's check out that restoration job. So it was this right side, so you can't even tell. It's amazing, but yeah, it was like right there. But yeah, my buddy did an amazing job on this tooth. You can't even tell that it was restored. That is so cool. It's like back to perfect condition. Really, really nice job. This is that left side, like right where my pinky's at. Amazing job. But yeah, beautiful tooth overall. I didn't want to like restore any of the root or anything like that because I wanted to keep it as natural as possible. But man, that is a beauty. Really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks so much. I will see you next time.